Yo, it's Chriso from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. I've been a tiler professional for 35 years. I'm doing the VJ board at the moment. I've finished all my tiling. I just did those niches this morning. Here's a little bit of a tricky one for the DIYs. But if you check your measurements and cut, the old saying is measure twice, cut once. And that's what I did. And it's worked out a treat. I've got a stud up there going up from the door. There's a stud there, cool. There's a stud here. So I'll tack it off just to hold it. I'll just plumb up there so I don't miss the stud. Pop one there, one there. Cool, I like it. Cool bananas. Just to hold it. I'll nail it off. But you don't have to put that actually might be too close. There, no. Let's just hold the corner in there nicely, nice and straight. I'll run up there with a bead of no more gaps. Cool, now I'll measure that piece. I've just got to do that, and we're laughing. I might have a little bit of lunch now. All right, people. Give us a thumbs up if you would. Don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell. Press the subscribe button. If you want to see more, I'm bringing out a video every day, so you won't miss me. Yeah, that'll be cool. Yeah. Okay, cool. See you soon. Bye. G'day, it's Chriso from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. I'm a professional tiler, have been for 35 years, but today I'm doing a bit of building as well. I've been doing this VJ, and I've just about completed it. I'm doing the final stage. I've got a piece over there I've got to do, but for DIYs, it's something that can be quite handy if you are able to do a little bit of building work as well. See how I've done that? You never cut your timber square. You always do a mitre and turn it inside itself. If you can see what I mean. Let's get a little bit closer with the camera. Yeah. and that just finishes it off nicely. I've taken it past because this, I'm sort of trying to match the existing a little bit. So I'll just, no more gaps, or the painter will, bit of no more gaps, home and hose. So we'll pop this in. What I've tried to do is run into, I hope you can see that, run into the cornice so it finishes, so it's finished off. Whooshka. Nail her off your home and hose. It's not quite right up there. I might have to, yeah, okay. That's not too bad. Okay, yeah, don't forget to subscribe. That finishes it off nicely. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, poke the bell. I've still got a piece there to do, so I'll do that. I'll cut it. Yo, give us a thumbs up. Press the subscribe button. We'll see you soon. Bye.